crunchy cough, boy. You got a nasty cough. Old nasty cough, so old crunchy coughs. That's it. That's a Godzilla cough, boy. I was gonna say you have a crunchy cough. I was gonna even say that you have a nasty cough, but those words don't do justice what I just witnessed. I was trying to hold it in. I was trying not to. You have a Godzilla cough, brother. You need Robitussin? I can't help it. Enrico love. That's what you need. Okay. Go get a cough drop. Okay. That was horrible.
I want a frappuccino with ice. Can we change the flavor to pumpkin spice? Should I do Vindia Grande?